Hey traders, this is Taylor with Top Pick Trading. Happy Friday to you. I want to see if I can get a failed second entry long here. Push back inside this yellowish gold range. You can see this wider uptrend I drew. I don't think it's valid. If you watch Thomas Wade's video, shout out to him on this one. He tells you to resist the urge to buy these or to use these wider uptrends, especially in range days, because they'll often trap you. They'll rope you into buying high or rope you into selling low. And in reality, the range holds precedence, and I think that's what's happening here. You can see we bounced right at this key entry point, but I don't think it's going to hold. You can see we came up short on the highs anyway, so this would be a failed second entry long back inside the range. Two clear legs, push under the EMA. Let's see if we get some EMA rejection on this bar, and I'd be interested in selling it short. I really think it's going to trap longs. So let's see. And not this bar, maybe the next bar. We do tick higher here, so I may be interested in the engulfing. Let's see how it looks. Yeah, if you just got to resist the urge to draw it like the temptation to draw it like this on these type days, because it's often the more local price action that matters more. And this down push, this push down is fairly strong. We do break below. Let's see if we break below that swing. There we go. Broke below the swing. Gonna try this on engulfing limit. Hopefully we get in. We do. Gotta move my stop behind the previous swing till this closes, so it is more risk. And you can see we are going for 8, even though the half ATR would dictate closer to 6, 5 or 6. Let's see how this closes. I really like this. There's two clear swings. Push below the EMA. This is a nice looking reversal pattern, so let's see if we can get the scalp for 8. Big bearish bar now too. All I got to do is break below, and that pretty much gives us the scalp. This looks really nice. Failed breakout, failed second entry long. We do get the scalp there. Runner to break even. Let's see if we can get a runner. May take it at the range lows. Well, I was gonna, but pushed right through it. I'm going to go ahead and lock this in. Maybe we keep going down. It looks like this may have trapped a lot of longs that were pretty committed on that wider uptrend that was turned out to be either invalid or the range ended up taking precedence. And that we're seeing some strong downward momentum now. I'm just going to trail each bar. But anyway, I was going to mention I did go for 8 on this one. I went back and reviewed my last several months of trades. And besides on like the really slow days, which we have had some lately, but besides on those days, my targets are my prices are going a little further than my targets, so I think I can get a little more out of some of these scalps. So once again, shout out to Thomas Wade on this for going for the 8 ticks like he typically does. So at least on this trade it worked out. So we'll play it by ear, but when I went and looked, it just looked like it made more sense overall. There are going to be some more losers, but vast majority of my trades are getting at least 8 ticks. So I'll keep testing, keep tabs on it, and we'll see how it goes. But got the 8 on this one. So anyway, yeah, I hope you guys enjoy this trade. We'll see how far this runner will go. And you can see that wider uptrend there. I mean, that really roped in some longs. But that EMA knocked it down pretty hard, and also the range highs. So let's push down really strong. But a lot of these quick moves will snap back on range day, so that's why I wanted to lock it in. And you can see there it is right there. It did break above. So just wanted to lock it in. Looks like we had an overshoot and another failed breakout potentially. So glad we locked it in. Hope you guys enjoyed it. Failed second entry long. Have a great weekend.